Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back to my study room. This is a quiz on prepositions of place, at, on and in. There are a total of 10 questions in this quiz. You will get 10 seconds for each question. So, let's begin. Question 1. The correct answer is B. At. I saw you at the bus stop yesterday. Question 2. The correct answer is option C. On. There is a cup on the table. Question 3. The correct answer is B. In. I am currently staying in a hotel. Question 4. The correct answer is option A. On. Rishikesh is on the banks of river Ganges. Question 5. The correct answer is option C. At. He is at the meeting right now. Question 6. The correct answer is option C. On. She is wearing a ring on her finger. Question 7. The correct answer is option A. In. He lives in Mumbai. Question 8. The correct answer is B. On. What is written on the wall? Question 9. The correct answer is option C. In. There is nothing in my pocket. Question 10. The correct answer is option A. At. The shop is at the end of the street. What's your score? Write down in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.